Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you got stuff in your teeth, be sure you try this water floss by Waterpik. I absolutely love this. It comes with 3 nozzles, which is the typical nozzle, the orthodontic nozzle, and the plaque seeker. It is so easy to interchange the different nozzles. There's a button behind right here. You just press and it just releases it, and then you can put in the next one you want to use. It has a simple power button with the mode low, medium, or high. The tank in the back is so easy to open. It has this little slot with a hole that you can just put underneath and fill it with the faucet, and then you are good to go. It comes with a charging cord that's magnetic that sticks to the front of it. It only takes 4 hours to charge, and you can take this in the shower with you. You're already wet, so why not get your teeth wet too? This is such a wonderfully designed water floss. I use this all the time. It keeps my teeth so clean. I appreciate it, and my dentist appreciates it too. So I definitely recommend this if you are concerned with your dental hygiene and want to up your game. I think this is the perfect choice for you, but that's my point of view.